Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami container, and it has two sections right here. So you can put certain stuff in one, and you can put certain stuff in the other. So yeah, like for example, you can put maybe memory cards in this part, and maybe, let's see, candy in this part. So yeah, so it's like an organizer, and it's really cool looking. And I'm gonna show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of paper. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. Okay, so let's begin right side up, and we're gonna fold in half. We're gonna make an 8x8 grid of genderless creases. Okay, unfold and fold to your crease. Okay, and now fold to the top. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now fold like this. And fold to here. And turn over and fold in half. Okay, and now completely unfold. Okay, so now we're going to reverse these creases so they're genderless. So turn over, so covered side up, and the first crease is a valley and the second one is a mountain. So we're going to fold 2 units up, so reversing that mountain, and 1 unit down, like this. Alright, 2 up, and 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, and turn over and fold in half like this. Okay, and now they're genderless. Okay, so now either side up, and we're going to do the same thing in the other direction. And here we go. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, so once you did that, now we're going to form the container. So let's turn over, and I'm going to make the inside of it be green. So make the middle crease a mountain like this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just keep it like that, and we're gonna make a diagonal fold. I'm gonna zoom in. So we're gonna make a diagonal fold from this point to this point like this, and we're folding on this crease. So fold like this, and make sure the edges align right here too, and pinch it. Okay, just like that. And repeat on this side. So make a diagonal. So we're going to fold this up, and we're going to make a diagonal fold from here to here. See, just like that. And now we're going to pinch the corners too. So we're just going to pinch them like this. Just fold one segment like that, and repeat on this side. Okay, like that. And now repeat all that on this side. So fold on that crease and fold it like this. Okay, same here. Like that. And pinch on the corners. Okay, so now we're gonna lock all these corners together. So let's start with these middle ones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point and we're gonna fold it to this point, like this, and that's all. That's what locks it, and make that fold nice and sharp. Okay, just like that, and repeat on this side. It doesn't matter what direction you fold it. You could do it in this direction or in this direction. I'm gonna just go in this direction. So fold this point to that point. Okay. And now they're locked. Okay, now same with the corners. And again, it doesn't matter what direction. You can do it like this or that way, but I'm gonna go this way. So fold this point to here. This and make that nice and sharp. And I'm going to do it on this side too. I'm going to fold this point to here. And same here. Okay, and here it is. Here is the model complete. So it's a nice container with two sections. You can put certain kinds of candy. You can put chocolate in one and non-chocolate candy in the other. So yeah. You can put Roblox boxes in here and hearts in here. So yeah. And for the Roblox box tutorial, click right here. And for this heart tutorial, click right here. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this. Hope you're able to. And, you know, if you did, make a demo of it. And once you made your demo, make a comment below and put the link to your demo in there so I can check it out. Alright, hope you guys like this model and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.